Affirm versus Klarna. Which is the best for you? Affirm and Klarna are both leading buy now pay later platforms, offering consumers the flexibility to make purchases without immediate payment. Here's a detailed comparison of their key features. Buy now, pay later functionality. Affirm allows users to split purchases into smaller, manageable payments over time, usually in 4 parts. Offers financing for both in-store and online spending. No added interest, no fees, timely or payments. Loans are approved quickly with standard interest rates. For Klarna, it's similar to Affirm. Klarna allows users to make purchases and pay over time in installments, offer flexibility in payment options, and allows 2 deferred payments. No fees for one-time payments, but may charge a fee for missed installments for a grace period. For availability. Affirm primarily available in North America, Canada, and the US. Users outside these regions may still use the service with a billing address in either country. For Klarna is available in various regions worldwide, including Europe, UK, US, Canada, and Australia. It offers payment methods in different currencies, expanding its reach to a broader audience. Both Affirm and Klarna offer mobile apps with features such as viewing purchase and payment history, tracking deliveries, and accessing exclusive deals and discounts. And when we're talking security, Affirm offers multi-factor authentication and data protection measures, including fingerprint and SSN protection. And for Klarna, it ensures security through AES 256-bit encryption for online banking online details, regularly tested and certified by external reviews for additional security. Affirm accepts various payment methods including debit cards, checking accounts, MoneyGram, personal checks, money orders, and credit cards. And Klarna offers instant card payments with debit and credit cards, also allows payment through invoices, and offers deferred payment options. For interest and fees, which is most of people are interested in this topic, Affirm no hidden fees or charges for late payments. Interest rates may vary based on credit score and loan amount, with rates up to 30%. And for Klarna, it has no fees for one-time payments, charges a fee for missed installments after a grace period, and provides flexibility in payment options, including deferred payments. Affirm conducts a soft credit inquiry before approving purchases. Payment history and account usage may impact credit score. And for Klarna, it offers pay-in for loans with no minimum credit score requirements. Long-term financing options may require a hard credit check. So, in summary, both Affirm and Klarna offer convenient buy now pay later solutions with similar functionalities. However, their availability, security measures, payment methods, and credit requirements may vary, catering to different consumer preferences and regions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.